Hello all, welcome back to Savage Media. I'm your host EddSaavage, and today we've got a pretty serious topic to dive into. We're going to discuss why Ledger, one of the most popular crypto hardware wallets, has been getting some hate in the crypto community. So make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful crypto content. Now let's get into it. Okay, so you've probably seen some of Ledger's recent tweets and they've raised some eyebrows. Now let's break it down. So first, Ledger reported a malicious file incident. A fake version of their file was circulating, which caused significant concern in the crypto community. While this was all happening, Ledger did emphasize the importance of clear signing. Now, in simple terms, clear signing means that your Ledger device screen must match your computer or phone when making a transaction. If it doesn't match, then you need to immediately stop that transaction. Ledger issued a crucial warning about phishing scams and only to trust @Ledger and @Ledger_support on social media. All other accounts are fake according to Ledger, and never share your 24-word secret recovery phrase with anybody. Anybody that does ask for this information is a criminal as stated by Ledger. Now let's delve into the Ledger Connect Kit incident. So here is what happened. A former Ledger employee fell victim to a phishing attack, compromising their npm.js account. The attacker released a malicious Ledger Connect kit affecting versions 1.1.5, 1.1.6, and 1.1.7. This code rerouted funds to a hacker's wallet via a rogue Wallet Connect project. Ledger acted quickly, fixing the issue in under 40 minutes, but the malicious file was live for about 5 hours. And the actual fund drain was likely less than 2 hours, though Ledger collaborated with Wallet Connect to disable the rogue project and released the genuine Ledger Connect Kit version 1.1.8. Now, to enhance security, Ledger took some extra measures. They pretty much restricted the Ledger Connect Kit code for developers to read-only mode, and they internally improved security by rotating secrets for publication on GitHub. Ledger, along with partners like Wallet Connect and Tether, exposed the bad actor's wallet address publicly on Chainalysis. Ledger stressed the importance of clear signing and confirmed they're assisting affected customers. They're also cooperating with law enforcement, studying the exploit, and working on prevention. Now let's look at what Flare Network had to say about the situation. So, Flare Network confirmed that their users weren't affected by the Ledger vulnerability, and no funds on Songbird or Flare chain were compromised. Now, to safeguard users, Flare Network temporarily paused some services and disabled specific features on their block explorers. They collaborated with Ledger to address the issue, and Ledger has since fixed the problem. Now, to sum it up, Ledger has faced challenges, and I don't believe that with improved security, transparency, and communication, they're going to fix their image at the moment. Now, if you're considering alternatives to Ledger, we can talk about the NGRAVE hardware wallet. So this hardware wallet has been gaining attention in the crypto world for its cutting-edge security features. NGRAVE does take security seriously with an air-gapped device that ensures private keys remain offline. Additionally, NGRAVE's intuitive user interface makes it user-friendly even for newcomers to the crypto space. Now, I've been using it and it's been great. So the only thing that's missing from the NGRAVE wallet right now is the MetaMask support, but I think that is on their roadmap. Now, for full disclosure, I've been exploring the NGRAVE wallet myself, and I must say that it's an intriguing option for those seeking top-notch security. Be sure to do your research and consider NGRAVE as one of your potential crypto wallet solutions. Just do your own research and choose what's best for you. Now, thanks for joining me today. Stay vigilant in the crypto world, guys. If you found this information valuable, please give me a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay savvy and stay secure in this crypto space. And I'll see you all in the next one.